You are installing a Nortel Business Communications Manager (BCM) system at a customer's site. You are currently in the process of configuring a DTM in an expansion unit, but you are unable to do so. What is required to do this? Option A. The DTM connected to the network. Option B. A key code that includes the expansion port authorization code to enable the expansion unit. Option C. The expansion unit connected to the Nortel BCM50 with a cable no longer than 1 meter. Option D. The expansion unit connected to the Nortel BCM50 with a cable no longer than 3 meters. The correct answer is option B. Which statement about installing a Nortel Business Communications Manager (BCM) expansion unit is true? Option A. An authorization code to enable the expansion unit is not required. Option B. A BCM50 expansion unit can only be installed in an equipment rack. Option C. Before installing the BCM50 expansion unit, first install the MPM in it. Option D. A 20 meters cable can be used to connect the expansion unit and main unit. The correct answer is option C. A Nortel Business Communications Manager (BCM) installation requires music and paging. The Nortel BCM has a music jack. Rather than using the music jack, what is another way in which music and paging can be connected? Option A. Set screws. Option B. The front panel. Option C. RJ11 jack on chassis. Option D. RJ21 telephony connector. The correct answer is option D. Which statement about the BCM Capacity Expansion Card (CEC) is true? Option A. A BCM450 with a SEC can support a maximum of 300 drunks. Option B. A BCM450 with a SEC can support a maximum of 130 stations. Option C. You can remove the SEC if the customer capacity needs drop. Option D. The SEC is a standard card that comes installed with every BCM450. The correct answer is option C.